Hello, good morning guys. If you are able to download and install the Visual Studio Code on your computer, I say a big congratulations to you, because in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Visual Studio terminal, create a file and a folder as well as a file, and of course write here our first line of code with Visual Studio Code. Alright, let's dive right in. So if you open the VS Code terminal, this what is going to show you. Okay, let me maximize it. Oh, sorry. This what is going to show you. So the first thing you need to do once you get to the VS Code terminal is to create a folder. The folder encompass is a work environment for all you are going to be doing on Visual Studio Code if you are working on a particular project. After creating a folder, then in that folder you now create individual files to which the folder is going to accommodate. So in creating a file, there are two steps. You either click here or you come to File, click on File, then go to Open Folder. Click on Open Folder. Then instead of opening any folder, which of course we've not created, you navigate to the new folder terminal here. Click on New Folder. Okay, it will require you to create a folder. So I'll just name that folder my HTML. Select folder. Click on Select Folder. Okay, click on Select Folder. Okay, I've succeeded in creating a folder on which I'll be working on, and I named it my HTML. You can see that right here. Okay, the next step is now to create a file inside the folder which I created. Okay, in doing that, you go back, you can either go to File and go to the New File, or you come here. This is a shortcut. Okay, see New File. So you write the name of your file. So I'll name this my first code.html. In naming your file, you shouldn't add a space. What you can use is an underscore. You mustn't add a space to the writing. Then you must add a file extension. Remember, we are working with HTML. So since we are working with HTML, the file extension should be or must be .html, which I added here. Let me zoom in so that you for clearer view. You can see it .html since you are working with HTML. But if you are working with CSS, JavaScript, .js, Python.ps, and so on, py, and so on and so forth. So I've created my file .html. So I'll click on Enter. Okay, yes, that's it. I've been able to create my file. And if I want to view that file which I created, on which I've not written any code on, I simply go to my browser. Okay, I navigate to my browser. we are using Chrome. Okay, open, Control O. Okay, I go to desktop, that's where I saved it. Remember the name we saved it, right? Yes, we saved with that series of file here, my HTML. This is my HTML. So I'll click on it, double click, open. So this is our file, the file we created on my HTML folder. This is the folder, this is the folder, this is the file. So if you want to, you can open it. If I open, see, nothing is showing because I haven't written any line of code on it. So let's go back to our VS Code. So at this point, we want to write our first line of code. If you are here, join us. So I'll insert the open, the less than sign. That's how you start to write your HTML. I'll type HTML. I'll close it. So it's self-closing tag. Close. I'll write head tag. Don't worry, you don't have to memorize this. These are just protocol which we have to follow. Beside, I'll write the body.